Okay. Hello, I am Chinmay Deepak Ghurke from KBT College of Engineering, and today our group will be explaining about access control, general issues in access control, and firewall. So, first of all, what is distributed systems? Distributed processing system are computing systems where multiple computers or processors connected to networks cooperatively work together to provide computing services. DPS, that is Distributed Processing Systems, refer to modern distributed processing systems in comparison with traditional distributed model, whose most distinguished features are dynamic resource allocation and relocation. A typical DPS contains a master system, that is MS, and many slave systems, that is SS, that collaboratively fulfill computing. Master system and slave systems may be in the same administration domain, but they may also be in different administration domains. So now first we will look at an example of distributed system. For example, the manager of an online supermarket, for example Amazon, may want to query which product makes the largest contribution to revenue from millions of transactions record for the supermarket in the last year. The record were separately stored in different slave systems. The manager sends a request to master system, which distributes the computing task to different slave systems that serves as distributed processors. Now these slave systems carried out computations to sum the revenue generated by each product based on local transaction records and return the result to master system. Then finally, the master system collects and analyzes the result from slave systems and returns the aggregate result to the user. Let's look at this diagram for better understanding. So in diagram it is shown that the middle one is a master system. Uh, then there is one application user uh, which gives the service request, and also then there are many slave systems. Here there are three slave systems which then communicates with the master systems to provide the final result. Then I will be showing you the access control in distributed systems. Now, what is access control? This access control is critical for preventing sensitive information from unauthorized access. Various access control systems have been proposed and enforced in different type of information systems, for example, bank and military. However, existing access control systems cannot thoroughly address the challenges in emerging distributed processing systems, such as big data and cloud, due to their dynamic and complex architecture. Generally, access control for DPS needs to consider the protection for collaboration among distributed processing domains. Even though some DPS architecture were proposed to address DPS challenges, most of them only focus on processing capabilities without consideration of access control. Now I hand over the session to Devesh.
Hello, I am Devesh Santosh Gujrati. I would like to explain about the characteristics of access control. Before proposing general access control considerations for DS, we need to analyze the characteristics of it which affects the DS and AC design and deployment. The volume describes how much data is coming in. For example, in context of big data, this typically ranges from gigabytes to exabytes and more. Consequently, huge volume of data is usually decimated in distributed nodes for processing and then master system aggregates the result from each slave system and delivers it to the user. Second is the velocity, which measures the speed of at which data is generated and processed. Usually, data comes in batches and continuous streams. To effectively handle such rapid arrival of data, the process capability of DPS is continuously improved. Like, for example, map reduced system. Next is variety. Variety indicates the format of data. Either it is structure, semi-structure, or unstructured. In the era of DPS, one significant shift in that unstructured data is rapidly increasing, such as videos, social relations, photos, etc. Unstructured data types are common in DPS, which are not anticipated and hard to protect in traditional system. such as relational database. Further, virtualization is a key feature of DPS, which is capable of abstracting computing resources as virtual machines to associate storage and network resources. In virtual environment, one computes host that previously ran only a single operating system and now can run multiple OSs as virtual machines, which are created rapidly to facilitate resources sharing and rapid elasticity. Further session will be carried out by Pawan.
Hello everyone. I hope you all are good. Now I'm explaining about common issues in access control. If you are a business that requires a high level of security to control your physical or digital asset, you need an access control system. Access control system allows business to verify the identity of a person before they are allowed access to a physical or digital space. But as with all technology, problem can arise during use. Uh, there are some 4 points which occur in issue as access control. First is not secure enough. Second is key cards lack true authorization. Third is improper setup, and fourth is inefficient management. A firewall in DS. We know the firewall is a device or a software like controlling a incoming or outgoing network traffic. A distributed firewall is the host resident security software application which protects the network as a whole against unwanted intrusion. Deployed alongside more traditional firewalls, distributed firewalls can add another layer of protection to a network while still maintaining high throughput for legitimate network traffic. In addition, centralized firewalls are based on a model that assume attacks are coming from outside a network. They apply a perimeter defense model where a firewall guards only against malicious traffic coming from outside the network. Growth in the internet access speed, coupled with increasingly compute intensive protocols that firewalls have to analyze, have resulted in firewalls becoming coagulation point. Distributed firewalls help solve this problem by using processing power across the network, not just on a single cluster or machine where a firewall is installed. Now I'm hand over my session to the Pranjal.
Hello everyone. Myself Pranjal. I'm going to tell on capabilities in distributed firewall, centralized management. Though distributed firewalls don't exist in just one place, they do typically offer the ability to configure and push out consistent security policies. They also allow for a centralized reporting, which makes it practical to update and consistently apply firewall policies. Fine-grained access control. Distributed firewalls allow for the grained access control update without requiring
I think she's having some network issues. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, I will take it from this point. Uh, she was telling about fine-grained access control. There, it is a distributed firewall allowed for fine-grained access control, which standard firewalls cannot readily accommodate without greatly increasing their complexity. The next is policies. The ability to set security policies to allow and denied access depending on determined criteria. This is the basic functionality that underlies all firewalls. Distributed firewalls usually also have features that guarantee the integrity of the policy during transfer. The next is push and pull distribution. These firewalls support both push and pull distribution, the former involving pinging the central management server to check whether it's up and active, then requesting its policies, and the latter ensuring that the host always have their updated policies at all the time. Uh, to check whether it's up. To conclude, DS allows users to efficiently store, manage, and analyze current huge volume of unstructured data. However, existing DPS is not designed with comprehensive considerations of authorization and access control. Hence, before enjoying the benefit from DPS, security challenges must be addressed. Therefore, adding access control and firewall improves the security of any distributed system. Thank you.
Thank you, Chinmay.